It is an honor to speak to you on this occasion of 92nd anniversary of the Indian Air Force, a day that fills each one of us with immense pride. Over the past year, we have made significant strides in strengthening our operational capabilities, enhancing our professionalism, and adapting to ever-evolving, challenging modern warfare. The Air Force Day is an occasion to honor the courage and valor of all air warriors, past and present, and pay homage to those who have made supreme sacrifice. And on this day, while we rededicate ourselves to the service of the nation, we must also look back to introspect on the previous year, celebrate our achievements, recognize areas where we fell short, learn our lessons, and realign ourselves to the present and future requirements. The global security environment is in the state of constant flux. Ongoing conflicts have demonstrated the inescapable requirement to have a strong and capable Air Force. Therefore, there is a need for the Indian Air Force to be prepared to meet any contingency that challenges our national interests. Adopting latest technology along with innovative and out-of-the-box thinking will play a decisive role in today's multi-domain environment. The theme this year, Bharatiya Vayu Sena, Saksham, Shashakt, Evam Atmanirbhar, perfectly describes our aspirations. Over the years, we have become more empowered with better technology and achieved new levels of op exploitation of our systems and weapons. Atmanirbharta in the field of defense R&D and manufacturing is our priority, and concrete steps have been taken to support Make in India initiatives by engaging MSMEs, startups, individual innovators, professionals, R&D institutes, and academia. The past year has been very eventful, and Indian Air Force has proved its mettle on various fronts. One of our primary objectives is to deliver weapons on target, on time, every time. And this capability was aptly showcased during the Firepower demonstration exercise Vayu Shakti at Pokhran range in February this year. This was followed by the Air Force level exercise Gagan Shakti in April, during which all elements of the Air Force were exercised in near operational environment so as to learn valuable lessons which are being incorporated in our op plans. This year, we expanded our participation in bilateral and multilateral exercises with the air forces of friendly foreign countries. We also conducted the largest multinational exercise Tarang Shakti on Indian soil after a gap of 61 years with participation from air forces of more than 30 nations. The fact that this exercise was very well received by all participating air forces and our overall arrangements and conduct of the exercise earned a lot of praise is a testimony to the competence and professionalism of our air warriors. We have always been the first responder in any calls of humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, both within India and abroad. In the last 1 year, Indian Air Force has been called upon to provide flood relief in many locations while fighting forest fires in some other. Beyond our borders also, we played an important role in relief and evacuation from many countries. Rescue of merchant ship MV Rohan in March this year demonstrated our strategic reach and prowess. The welfare and well-being of our personnel and their families continues to be of utmost importance to us. The Indian Air Force remains fully committed to provide a conducive working environment to one and all. A number of developmental projects on construction or upgradation of accommodation, messes, schools, auditoriums, sports infrastructure, medical and recreational facilities are being pushed to enhance the quality of life and standard of living of our personnel. The Agniveers have seamlessly integrated into our Air Force. Indian Air Force became the first service to form an Agniveer Vayu women drill team. The outstanding performance by our air warriors in various sporting events at the Olympic Games this year and other international championships has made us proud. I also take this opportunity to pay tribute to our veterans and acknowledge their outstanding contribution. It is their vision and tenacity of purpose that nurtured our Air Force along the path of progress. Let me assure them that we will continue to strive for excellence and ensure success in every mission that we undertake, keeping in line with the values and ethos that we have inherited from them. I especially want to mention the dedication and support of our families who have faced hardships at the home front while we carried out a duty at work, and backing of the entire nation, without which we wouldn't have succeeded in most of the endeavors. I cannot tell you how honored I feel today to command this elite force with golden legacy and extremely committed and determined air warriors, prepared and ready to meet any challenges of the future. As we enter the 93rd year of our existence, let us continue to strive towards a stronger, more capable, and fully self-reliant Indian Air Force. Together, we will ensure that IAF remains a symbol of strength, security, and sovereignty for our nation.